In this video, you will discover how to quickly navigate the Style 3D interface to immediately improve your workflow. There are 4 key areas to know.
Viewport.
In the viewport, you can see the patterns in 2D, the simulations in 3D, and the render results and animations. Managing everything in the same workspace might seem complicated, but it's normal in 3D software, like for instance Blender.
Library.
Here you find all the elements like avatars, fabrics, zippers, and buttons to enrich your project. This window also gives you access to the Style 3D marketplace with many assets ready to use. A secret to improving your work is to make the most of this marketplace.
Property panel.
In this area, you can modify the physical characteristics of elements, such as types of materials and colors. In version 8, the 3D Style team arranged the windows horizontally, making it easier to quickly find the parameters to modify.
Toolbar.
Contains the necessary tools to make assets interact with each other, for example, to create seams or insert lights. If you need to sew the sleeve to the front of a t-shirt, here you find the virtual seams, or you can insert an area light to start bringing the render to life. The Style 3D interface features many sub-windows to explore. With a bit of practice, everything will get easier and easier. In the next video, you'll discover how to start creating images like these.